Good morning. VRML on the move. VRML. VRML. AMC. Got a couple of good movers this morning so far. VRML. $5. AMC here as well. See them here. VRML dipping. IMRN surgeon. Macy's going down. DPW here is gonna dip. IMRN going higher. See a little bit of indecision. Macy's, AMCT. DPW going down hard here. 50-cent move already. 50-cent move already. APT dropping quick. IMRN keeps moving higher. Fed day today. APT dropping, IMRN going higher towards 15. I think it was halted though on the way up. GNUS moving today as well. AVCT, Macy's going down. APT keeps going down though. The MRN halted. AVCT micro pullback right here in the 5 minutes. Macy's retest of the 834 area. Consolidation AVCT. DPW still going down. Gotta let it consolidate a little bit more. Next leg up, we might take a little stab at it. Macy's keeps going down towards the $8 mark. Macy's keeps going down towards the $8 mark. Alright, so hammer 5 minute time frame on Macy's. 5 minute time frame on Macy's. Got a hammer right here on the 5 minutes. Coming right back up. Hovering around $8 in 34 cents. VCT going right back up. Higher day 395. Gonna tap here after the open. Obviously, we got a 410 level right here in the 5 minute time frame. Pre-market hours. shooting up. ABCT very close to the $0.50 right there, 439. AMRN topping candle 5-minute time frame. ABCT keeps rolling up. Watching how Macy's moves here. There's a little bit of consolidation as well in the 1-minute time frame. I'd like to take a stab on Macy's, but in a better formation though. It's gonna end up printing a green candle probably in the next couple of minutes, so we're not trying to short into support. ABCT here. Going right back up. Gonna break the flag high here. 472. If he breaks there, next stop will be the $5 mark. Macy's keeps going. DPW bouncing off. DPW getting a leg up. DPW getting a leg up. DPW coming right back up. TPW right back up. 580. Going towards 6. Huge mover though. Moving fast. Macy's keeps dropping towards the $8 mark. My windows got moved, so I'm fixing them. I don't know how many times I'm trying to fix this thing, downloading and updating drivers and all that kind of stuff, and it hasn't worked out. Anyway, back to what I was doing. TPW, BCT. Keep an eye on it. See when it's gonna turn. Macy's seem like trend slowing down here too. Eight ten. Macy's going towards the 8. Keeps dropping, going towards 8. $8.06. DPW flagging a 1 minute time frame. Topping candle 5. TPW 50 seconds to go on that 5-minute candle. We got Macy's bouncing back right here in the 805 area. ABCT 371 slowing down a little bit. IMRI keeps dropping. Top of the view app, ABCT. KBCT here at a high 411 to 407. Pull back from that area there. Let it consolidate a little bit more. UPW coming down. APT had a pretty decent pattern showing reversal. I'm not sure sure on that one. What's up, Sean? That's good, man. That's good. Glad to hear. Okay, watching ABCT here. Also Macy's with a flag. Let me turn on my AC here though. I don't know if it's gonna be a lot of noise. After I do that, I'm gonna ask you guys to see if there's a lot of noise on your end, so I can't really know if it's a big difference or not. Butterfly pattern formation, 1 minute time frame on Macy's. Alright, so the AC is on. Can you kindly let me know afterwards if you hear any kind of big noise going through? Gee, man, Macy's going down quick. Nice butterfly formation. Take a little picture here though. Macy's was just slapped with a short sale restriction. Macy's was just slapped with a short sale restriction. Alright, thank you guys. Macy's had a previous decent butterfly pattern formation right here in the 5 minute time frame in the pre-market hours, coming into the market open. See coming down, nice 5 minute butterfly pattern right here, and it seems like somebody, a billionaire somewhere from the Czech Republic or something like that, he was actually holding about almost 1% of the company. He sold off the whole thing on this ramp up on Macy's. So he made the money, walked away. It's like, yeah, I don't care. It's like, yeah, I'm green, I'm good, I'm gone. You know? It's like the 3 Gs. Green, good, and gone. AMC on the move. AMC bouncing off. AMC. So DPW. 5-minute flag on the PW. 5-minute flag on the PW. Pulling back here. The Fed are going to speak today. Jerome Powell and Fed minutes today after jobs report that, according to the reports, was better than expected. So let's see what they're gonna say. They're gonna keep on pushing to help out the markets and all that kind of stuff, people's economies, and a bunch of different things. So that's what people are actually expecting to hear from them today. Afternoon, I think around 2 o'clock if I'm not mistaken. BCT. So afternoon though, I don't know if you got it right. You probably heard me. In the afternoon, today afternoon, I think it's around 2 o'clock. I'm not sure exactly what time per se, but it's in the afternoon. I think it's gonna be around 2 o'clock. This is early afternoon. Sure thing, sure thing. ABCT. Let me see something here. We're just gonna keep on dropping. It's flagging on the 5. That consolidation shows that there could be a decent downtrend. Just looking at something here, but after I took a closer look, the range is not big enough. We're sitting on top of the 1 simple moving average on the daily, right on that name. Could be a little bit risky. Let's see. It's what's the range here? 20 set move, if it works, and it looks a little slow though. We already have 4 million shares traded today. ET. I think I'm gonna pass on that one though. Nice bear flag pattern right there in the 1 minute. Wow. Still gonna pass on that one. GE coming down. Bear flag pattern formation on the 5 minutes. Pan, which one was that? I just missed this one. Let's do some. You have to be kidding me. No shares on that one. You guys are killing me. Not you guys, not you guys. It's just these people. I want to shares to slap SDC Smile Direct Club, but I had none available. APT, a little bit of a bounce here around the VWAP. A little choppy in the 1 minute though. Alright, let's take a look at Genus after that pin-up formation with 5. I have to say though, My back is feeling a lot better. It feels a lot better now that I'm a little bit more laid back, a little bit more relaxed, laying towards the back of the seat. I can see more instead of being like this with that, like that's the camera that's installed in the computer. I have this one here, as you guys already know, and I've been trying to rest my back, and it's taking me a couple of days, but it feels a lot better. Like I'm working on a schedule for my trades, and after I'm done, what I'm doing is that I get up, I go around, I take a break, I eat something, and I try to kind of lay my back a little bit, kind of straight on my back, and just have the back kind of like straight and just relax, and it feels a lot better. Looking at key though, key. I've been burned on this one so many times. This 5-minute flag is a little bit interesting. The overall market is going down. This company moves with the market. IMRN bouncing off. What's going on with the airlines today? Let's see. Oh, really? Oh, wait. I didn't think about this one. Oh my god. No. In between key and the airlines, which one is this? Which one is looking better though? Oof, that one looks so good. Can't believe I missed it. Key 1403. It's a little overextended here. This one just broke down. So let's see. Maybe a little stab on this one. 1402. Okay, let's let it come up and interact around the 14. See what it's gonna do next time it actually slaps that 14. Man, the airline is just looked really good for reversal trades. Like JetBlue already, they had already great moves today. So I'm a little bit late to the party. JetBlue and American Airlines are looking pretty decent. Alright, so I've been burned so many times with this key. That I don't trust this name at all. I've been slapped so many times in my face every time I trade this one. I don't know if once I've traded a green trade on this one. I've tried it many times, but she plays me like a fiddle. Oh my god. Look at JetBlue though. Oh my goodness. Like, let me just AAL. Look at them. Look at this airline is dropping though. Like, look at this 95-cent move here. I'm a little late to the party to have to say though. Okay, key Let's let it consolidate here on top of this $14 mark. Have to come around again. See, this is the reason why I don't like taking trades on this name. Look, 1402, it broke under, went to 14, came right back up, right? I would have been already on the red. Like this thing, formations on this thing, like it doesn't really respect the patterns that much, really. And being early and being wrong is pretty much the same thing. ABCT 527, APT retesting that 100 simple moving average on 5 minutes. Boom, 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 boom. Hope you guys are doing good. Hey, thank you, Sean. You know, you noticed. You noticed. Yeah, I was looking like crazy, man. And yesterday, to be honest with you, since over here all of the barbershops are closed and everything is closed, I cut my own hair with a little help with my, from my wife, and then I cut my kids' hair. And I gotta tell you though, I did a good job. They look really good. And I started myself, and then my wife actually was the one that finished it a little bit, but I did the trimming on this. But yeah, I bought a thing on Amazon to cut my hair because I couldn't wait. They're gonna open barbershops here at the end of the month, like on 25th. So it's like, come on now, can't wait that long. I didn't cut my hair since back in February, I think, so I had to do something better than that. I was looking a little crazy. Too much hair on my face and all over the place. You guys are laughing probably. Yeah, it's like it is what it is, right? Well, thank God I didn't start it, and then when you have a hole here or there, and you're just like, oops, uh-oh, because that's pretty messed up. But I didn't go through that. I kind of did like, oh, so, kind of trying to remember exactly what I seen that they do on the barbershop every time they try to cut my hair. VCT on the move though. VCT on the move. VCT on the move there. Huge move, ABCT. Macy's keeps dropping though. Okay, BCT, little consolidation of 1 minute. If it gets over 6, look at the jump right there. It's a fast mover though. This can be a decent bull flag pattern in 1 minute. 646, you see here. It's 599. Look at that. That's 1 minute bull flag pattern formation right there, breakout. And this one, I have to say, it's a little volatile though. Spread about 3 cents. Not so bad. And he moves fast. Just gotta know where to jump in. Just gotta know where to jump in. Nice bull flag pattern. It was a 599 break. Had a spike here. No, I moved this thing when I wanted to do so. Look, 688 on only one push up on 1 minute. Like, if you know where to get in, you can just slap it, go quick in, get the money, and run out. Look, there's another possible bull flag formation right here. This one is a little bit more tricky. This one is a little bit more tricky. And we might end up having a little reversal here. It's even possible. So this one pattern here, I don't like as much. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Okay, let me fix something up real quick here. Hold up. Alright, so we need to wait for the pattern now, kind of like a 5 minute time frame, a little bit better now, because the 1 minute already played out. And so Now this one needs to come right back up and break the high, the 1 minute time frame candle. Still gotta be careful up there. You see that? That was what I was referring to. Look at that 5 minute doji right there on that reversal. That was what I was saying, that the pattern here on this area was a little bit more tricky though, right? Because I didn't feel too comfortable with this candle here. See, this two, I just like the second one, the high of the second one is higher than the prior one. So on that pattern right there, I don't like it, because you cannot have a flag when the flag is inclined higher than the pole. So it's a little tricky when you see something like that. It's just more kind of like a reversal type of pattern, really, because those are the areas where the bear flag pattern formed. Inclined to the upside, the flag inclined towards the upside. You got the pole, and the flag inclined towards the upside to follow through like that, right? So like this. But then the bull flag pattern, they go up, decline, and then up, right? Up, decline, up. And so if you have this type of pattern, up and then incline, and then it's gonna be really hard for you to get on that type of pattern there, because it doesn't show a nice formation. So there might be a possibility that you're gonna have a reversal on that there. And again, I'm trying to kind of give it to you with my hands here, so that way you can understand a little bit better what I'm trying to frame and what idea I'm trying to bring over to you guys. Because if I just talk about it, you're probably not gonna understand it. So this is the reason why I'm trying to kind of like give you that idea with a visual type of thing here, so you have a better understanding, or at least I'm trying to give you a better understanding what I'm trying to talk about here. I don't know if that makes any kind of sense. Well, you guys been lucky then. You have somebody to cut your hair. You can imagine. Yesterday I was kind of like thinking, oh my god, please don't let us screw up. Please don't let us screw up. So I was just thinking, my wife never... Well, she has some experience cutting hair, because we have a Shih Tzu, right? We have a 12-pounder. So she cuts the dog's hair. But you can imagine, the dog's hair, my hair, it's not the same thing. So I'm kind of like, yeah, you know, kind of like, hey, I don't know about this, how this one's gonna work out, right? So, just that. All right, let's take a look here at. No, I'm gonna just get out of here. I hate it when they do this to me. I wanted to slap AAL. We see the spider now, flagging a 5-minute time frame, bear flag pattern on the spider. which gives me an idea that AAL or American Airlines is going to follow through to the downside, right? So I went there trying to, oh, let's find out if I got shares to short. Boo, no shares available for me. That's pretty messed up, you know. And I'm not gonna, I don't want to slap JetBlue now. It's a little, moved a little much for me. JetBlue. AAL on the 15-minute looking pretty decent. I just started though. I can't wait 15 minutes for that flag. JetBlue here. JetBlue has a short sell restriction, but I do have shares to short. Printing a flag pattern formation of 5, you know, still not best. So gotta wait for it. See if we can catch a little bit of a. The problem is that I don't want to catch a falling knife here on ABCT. I don't want to catch a falling knife on ABCT. Take a look at something here real quick while we. Oh, the 1 minute looks like he's gonna bounce a little bit. Let me just take a look at that real quick. Now I feel pretty happy. I see that the growth of the trading floor, trading group, whatever way you want to say it. It's been growing steady at the beginning with a lot of people going in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. And so it's okay, it's normal kind of stuff. Now the growth is being a little bit more steady with not as many people going in, but the people that are in are not leaving. And we have 138 people there now. And, you know, it feels good though. It feels good. WPW was gonna run a little bit better. I created a video recap yesterday though. It's been a while since the last time. I haven't uploaded yet. I was having issues with the trading with the recording and editing software, and I think I've probably got it fixed or not. I think I got the information on how to get it fixed. Gonna try to fix it up today, but I already had a video made and it's actually pretty good. You know what, let me just take a look at this thing real quick here. Thank you, Sean. Okay, watching your blue on this consolidation here. Same type of consolidation pattern, but this way, this time is to the downside. See, I mean, same type of consolidation that we've seen, not, you know, as on the other ones, on the other names. You guys remember yesterday I was showing pictures of the consolidations on these names. How do you call the names here? ABIO, Sava, all that kind of stuff. Macy's flagging under the view app A16. Keep an eye on it. Oh God, life is so good. Thank you, Father. EMRN. Okay, let's watch this 808 flag of Macy's, 808 flag of Macy's, 808 flag of Macy's. We got the A16 view app. Put in the A16 view app. A16 view app. Yeah, he's gotta be quite something here to take a stab at Macy's. It has a short sale restriction, so you gotta put your order. If you want a short, you gotta put your order on an uptick. A little bit of selling at A17 though. Rejecting the view app. See, I've been looking at this formation here, trying to determine if this is a great spot for reversal. But one thing is that if you get an order through here now, through this little bit of consolidation, you can be right and early. But if this thing is just printing a bull flag pattern on the 5 minutes, just follow through to the upside, then you're gonna find yourself in the wrong side of the trade. Now we got the 50 simple moving average on the 1 minute, which can actually work as resistance here, but this might as well be just a bull flag pattern on the 5 minutes, and you're gonna take a trade on the opposite side of the actual trends right now. I mean, we gotta let it come under this 5 minute formation that we just had. And if we're gonna take the trade, we have to wait for this price right here. As a matter of fact, we're gonna look at this 1242 instead, because really this might as well be just a 5 minute bull flag pattern, and if we try to take this reversal here, it might not even work. Like on Macy's just now, rejecting the VWAP, came down a little bit, but as it come down, it found support, it came right back up. So that's actually the thing. I was looking at Macy's and I said, you know what, I don't want to be too early on Macy's reversal, getting around A16, which is where the VWAP was sitting, all the way down to the possibility that I have a retest of the 790, because this can actually get the support, it come right back up. That's what it's doing now. It's interacting with the 100 simple moving average in the 1 minute, and it's hovering around the VWAP, that area though. But you know, it's just that. And JetBlue here, we still have consolidation, and it showed that consolidation that might end up breaking down, but it didn't break down in the fashion or the way that I was expecting. So if we try to take a trade and wait too early, we might end up taking a trade on the opposite side. So we have to wait, see if this thing is actually going to break under the prior 5 minute candle, or if this is or if this JetBlue is just going to just hold that 5 minute flag though, around 1241, right? Let me just take a look at something here. Yeah, it's moving a little slow right now, Sean. CAMC here on the move. Wey, Behind. ¿A dónde fue que pusiste la carpeta? La cosa. No, no está ahí. No, no se ve. No subió todavía. Ya, no, es que había que hacer, no tenía paso suficiente, había que hacer un upgrade. Yo lo tuve que pagar la suscripción ahora para hacer el upgrade del paso. Tal vez por eso que no subió todavía. Le voy a dar un ratico a ver si se ve. Le voy a dar un rato a ver si se ve. Sorry about that. Talking to my father. Was talking to my dad about something that I needed. We shared a Dropbox um, folder. I have the Dropbox with my computers sharing pictures. So whenever I want to share something with the group on Discord or anything like that, I take one image from one spot, save it, it goes there, and I share it on the other computer. And my in important files, I have a hard drive, external hard drive that I store important programs for me, software. Um, and sometimes he gets things for me, and he sends it over on through the Dropbox, or I send him stuff that is big enough that we cannot just share like that, right? So I need a software that supposedly he already sent today or last night, but I didn't see it over in the folder. I was just calling to make sure that he put it in. Kind of slow though. Kind of slow. Guys, I'm gonna take a step back here. It's not much to see. I'm gonna keep an eye on DPW, see if we're gonna have a second leg up. We might a little bit later. So right now, just kind of have a little bit of a whipsaw there, and the market is just. I didn't expect the market to be like crazy today because again, the Fed is gonna talk. The Fed chairman and all that kind of stuff. So the market will try to. People are not trying to be exposed to something negative or on the other side of their trades, or not their trades per se, but maybe their positions in the market. So I think that today it's not gonna be as aggressive as it was yesterday, but it is what it is. So anyway, I'm gonna take a step back here, and we're gonna keep the conversation rolling in Discord, okay? So for right now, I'm gonna try to fix up the program a problem that I have in the software. Try to see if I can make another video recap here for today's session in regards to what happened in Macy's today, and the bear flag formation on the 1 minute time frame that we had on AVCT, just to bring a little recap for you guys to see a little later. For now, I'm gonna take a step back here. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. We'll keep the conversation rolling on Discord, and for now, sayonara, guys, or whichever way you gotta say that. I'm just messing up with you guys, and see you guys later. Take care.